Hello guys, welcome back. It's your coach and mentor of the world. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the different kinds of pending orders. I'm talking about now, you can see down here, this is where you get pending orders, types of pending orders. What is a pending order? Someone asked me. Pending order is you want you to take a trade at a given time and at a given price, at a preferred time and preferred price for you. A preferred price might be a higher price than the current price or a lower price than the current price, which is not an instant execution. An instant execution is when you click your sell or buy instantly and the trade opens. But the pending order is when you want to take a trade at a given when you want to take a trade at a preferred time. Okay, so let me walk you through the orders we have. You can see here we have different kinds of order. We have the market execution, which is the instant order, which is the buy and sell instantly. We have the buy limit, we have the sell limit, we have the buy stop, we have the sell stop, the buy stop limit, sell stop limit. So I'm going to walk you through the most very important ones you need. So now let's go to the chart. Now this is the chart. Now you want to take a buy stop. A buy stop is an order you want to take above the current market price. So how do you do that? You come here and you click on this icon here. Okay, so once you click on this icon here, it's going to bring this for you. You can see it said buy limit, but you want to take a buy stop. Okay, so you take it above the current market price and you click on this guy here. Click here and change it to buy stop. So you can see it has changed to buy stop. So now I'm putting this trade to buy at this current price once the market moves to this point here. That is what the buy stop is. Okay, so by that time you must have set the lot size you want to use before you now click on here and the order will be executed. Here you can also set the lot size if you want to, then you click place. It is done now. You can see I have a buy stop just above there. Okay, so we also have the sell stop. The sell stop is a trade you enter below the current market price. Okay, hoping that the market will go down. Just like you put the buy stop is above the current market price, you hope the market is going up. So the sell stop now, you click on the same icon and you now click here to change it to sell stop, which I did now, sell stop. So now you're putting it at your preferred price area. When market gets to this point, it will trigger a sell, and as it keeps going down, you are in profit. Okay, that is sell stop. Okay, so you also click this arrow here to confirm your entry, and that's it, it's done. So you can see we have the sell stop below here. Okay, so if you want to delete these orders, you just come here, you can slide this way or you long hold for 3 seconds, you click on delete order, or you slide like this, you click here, the first icon there, and you click on delete. Okay, so now we have talked about the buy stop and sell stop. So let's talk about the buy limit and sell limit. Now, what is the buy limit? The buy limit is when the market is, okay, let's just use the sell limit now. The market is trending up. So what is the sell limit? A sell limit is when you know the market is going up, and when it gets to this point, it will reverse and start coming down. So you put your sell limit at this point here. So what is it now? I'm going to click on this icon again. I want to take a sell limit. So there now I click on here again. So I click here. Now I'm taking the sell limit. You can see it is showing sell limit here. Showing sell limit here. So what is it saying? Because the market knows that the price is here to get there. So the sell limit means that once the market moves all the way from here all the way to this point, it will trigger a sell for me. And if the market reverses, I will be in profit. That's what the sell limit is. The sell limit will trigger a sell at the resistance, and once the market starts coming down, you're in profit. Okay, so that is how a sell limit works. Okay, so let's take a buy limit too. So I click this same icon again. The buy limit now is below the current market price. As you can see, I set it here now. So what this buy limit means that once the price is this way and it starts moving down here, once it gets here, to trigger the buy limit, and once it starts going up, I buy it now, I will be in profit. Okay, so this is how you set your buy limit and your sell limit, buy stop and sell stop. Now, someone will say, I didn't talk about the instant execution. This one is the instant execution where you directly click on either the buy or the sell and you're taking your trade instantly based on the lot size you've selected. That one is the first one, which is the instant execution. Okay, so this is how you set your buys, your pending orders, buy stop or sell stop. This is more easier now with the MT5. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.